What are you doing outside? Come back home. You're not supposed to be outside. Come back home. Okay, I want you to fix this ladder. Fix this ladder. I'm your mom. Come on, listen to me, boy. How about fix the ladder? Use the pickaxe and fix the ladder. Go and fix the ladder. I want you to move this ladder over here. Move it, this ladder over here. And I'm going to cook food.
One cake yan, one cake. One cake.
Come upstairs now.
I'm doing all of yeah, inside.
I'm doing all of the work. Give me back the pickaxe. Give me the pickaxe now. Good. I'm your mother and you have to listen to me. I said I definitely did not fall. I'm your mother and I'm a pro. Here, you can have the other one. Where are you? There you are. Make some doors. Make doors. Make doors. Here. I said only one, not three. Give me the wood. Give me the chest. Burned. Who told you you can disconnect?